What is up, guys? It is your girl back with another makeup tutorial. For today's tutorial, I bring to you guys this look right here. I'm super excited to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks on how to get this foundation right here, because I get asked a lot of questions on my makeup. I get asked a lot of questions on this particular look right here. Not this lip, but this entire look right here. I have dry skin, and I want to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks on how not to cake it, on how to apply, what makeup you guys should use, the tools you guys should use, what products I use, all the tips and tricks I'm sharing with you guys. You guys are welcome. I have dry skin, guys, and it has been a challenge for me finding the tools that work for me, finding the makeup that works for me, finding the routine that works for me. And I have found it, I've nailed it, I have mastered it, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so every time I upload, you guys are notified. And without further ado, vámonos, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so first thing is first, prior to putting anything on your face, the base is what's going to make or break your makeup. So if you do not take care of your skin, makeup will not be flawless, your makeup will not be on point, your makeup will not be on fleek. Do people still say that? So just to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks for my amazing dry skin people, this is what I use to hydrate. One, drink a lot of water. It's going to help. Yes, it does. I know it does. If you guys don't think it does, try it. Also, this is what helps me. This is the Cetaphil Eye Gel Cream. This is actually for all skin types. But of course, I have dry skin. This helps me a lot. It's been helping a lot my under eye. And also, another thing that I have noticed, my under eyes are very dark. The darkness has diminished since I started applying that on my eyes, and it has been maybe about 2 to 3 weeks. Another thing that I use to hydrate my skin, it is the Cetaphil. This is the moisturizing cream. The reason why I use the moisturizing cream instead of the lotion is because I feel like the moisturizing cream moisturizes my face more. Moisturizes, hence the word, right? The lotion, I think it's also great. I do love the lotion. I have used the lotion many times, but I do prefer the moisturizing cream. Another thing, this is what I use each and every day. I use this twice a day. Every time I get out the shower in the morning and before I take a shower at night. No, wait, after I take a shower at night. That didn't make any sense. So this is the Mario Badescu Skin Care Facial Spray. It has aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Now, I have 2 other ones that I use as well. Whichever one my hand grabs is the one that I put on my face. I've already prepped the face with both of these. We are going to move on with a little bit of these. And as you guys can see, the eyebrows are on. So let's get this tutorial poppin'. I love using a damp makeup sponge. The reason behind that is because I have dry skin. When you use a makeup sponge, it just makes your makeup look very flawless, and it just blends it out better. Now, because I have dry skin, I don't wear matte foundations. No. I need something that's going to be luminous. I need something that's going to be dewy. So I gravitate more towards like the Born foundation. I gravitate more towards like the Wet n Wild ones, or like the Maybelline Fit Me, or the L'Oreal dewy ones. Anything that's luminous and dewy is what I apply on my face. If I apply anything matte, it's just going to emphasize all the dryness in my face, all the dryness patches in my skin, and that's not what I want. While I am applying this baby, another tip and trick that I can definitely share with you guys is always make sure your makeup sponge, your tools, your brushes are clean. If you do like matte foundations, you can always mix it with a luminous foundation, with any dewy foundation. That's always an option as well. Another thing that you can always do is spritz. You can always go in and just spritz this. That's okay. The more hydration, the better. And another thing also, I'm just like full of tips and tricks today, guys. Don't apply too much foundation. The less, the better. If you just cake it on, it's gonna be hard for you to remove. So just go in little by little, and just, when in doubt, just blend. Blend your life away. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Master Conceal by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna apply that on this little brush right here. Go back in with my sponge, and then just blend. This sponge is so like fluffy. I really like this sponge. Ooh, And I actually got it for free at Sephora. I mean, no, at Ulta. Creams are also really good for dry skin, guys. And of course, you have to set. Always set your makeup. And then I'll show you guys how you should set when having dry skin. All right. Just like I said, guys, creams are good. This is, I'm going to contour. This is the Maybelline. This is actually a concealer. This is in the shade Cafe, number 30. I love doing this trick. Actually never do my nose. I'm gonna blend it with my Morphe sponge. When you're blending, always blend upwards, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Do you see just how hydrated the skin looks? Just looks very skin-like, very hydrated. So we are going to go in with the Airspun Loose Powder. And we're gonna open that up. Very also careful because this powder be attacking me sometimes. And with that same exact sponge, I am going to set oh so lightly. I'm gonna go back in and we are going to just blend everything because we're not trying to set those creases. Taking the smallest amount, and the way that I like to set my under eye is I never go straight into the area right over here. I kind of start right over here, work my way around, and then go back and work my way up. So let me show you guys. Set, dab, 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 dab. Kind of like we're dancing. Down, now up. Get it in there. Now, the reason why I do it this way is we set here, we work our way over here, work our way back up, down, is because our eyes are so dry and so sensitive, we don't need to overset it. You know what I mean? Like, if we overset it, especially if you have dry skin, woo, the cakiness, not cute. So, once again, we're gonna go right here, and here, 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 here. You guys can see I didn't set it all the way in. Go back and boom, 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 down. It's like I'm a professional sometimes, you know. Now, my smile lines, I make a lot of like muecas. I don't know how to say muecas in English, but I make a lot of facial expressions when I speak. So I have to set my smile lines right here. Another way you can do is you can we are going to work our way with the pressed powder. Reason behind the pressed powder is because we have to set. Because what happens is people want to hug you, people want to touch you, people want to, you know, just be all up in your space and stuff. And we cannot have the makeup transferring to someone's white shirt or black shirt. You know what? We don't want the makeup transferring whatsoever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab your favorite pressed powder. My favorite pressed powder for dry skin is this one by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me. I'm in the shade 110 Porcelain. I'm grabbing it with my amazing Morphe brush E1, and I am just setting it all around the area. I did not apply my contour. So just very lightly all around in the area, also on my eyelid as well. To set that bronzer, we are going to take, this is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is in the shade bronzer. No, wait, Muru Muru. Okay, and I'm gonna take that with my Morphe E4. And now, when you have dry skin, don't know about you guys, but I have dry patches right along this area here. It's the weirdest thing ever. I actually tap off the excess, make a little fishy face because, you know, we look cute. You're gonna tap, you're gonna do the tapping motion. Now, the reason behind the tapping motion is because it's going to get into that area where it would possibly miss applying that contour or that bronzer. Boom. And then right up here, I just do like a little circle motion. Boom, 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 boom. I like applying a lot of bronzer on my forehead because your girl got a big forehead. We gotta decrease it, diminish it, make it smaller because, hello. Now, if you are a hot mess like me and you cannot apply a decent contour, you need to clean it up. Go back in with your loose powder. Some as so. And you're gonna do a nice little line right here. Boom. Right. Now for blush, I like to go in with this one right here. This is actually from this amazing palette. This is the Tarte Ladies Night palette. I apply just a tad bit of that. And this is with my multitask brush by Real Technique. Apply just right here on the apples of my cheeks. I do like bringing it up all the way up here, up against my contour. Kind of like my hairline. Whatever's left here on the nose. Boom. Giving you that sun-kissed look. And I'm gonna use the Maybelline Colossal. The difference mascara does on your eyes, it's freaking nuts. And eyebrows. We all know that. All right, mascara's all done. I'm gonna clean this up now. All right, so before I set the face, I'm actually going to take, this is the lip liner by Ulta Beauty. I don't know what's the shade, but my mom actually purchased this for me. She got it for Christmas for me. And then the lipstick I'm going to use, it is Rosewood Matte Lipstick, and this is actually by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what it looks like. It's such a beautiful lipstick. Now to set the face, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Whew. Yeah, I know I put a lot on all the damn time. Once everything is done, I go in with my highlighter, which is a few, and I grab my fan brush, which is by Morphe, the M310, and I just apply my highlight. And the way I apply my highlight is I bring it here and I drag it down, blend it in with my blush and also my bronzer. I also apply highlight here on my nose, and then also right over here. I apply it all over my face actually. Little bit right over here, some right here and here. All right, what other highlight? All right, so I also want to apply this other highlight too, which is by Maybelline. Just grab, 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 boom, 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 boom. Here, 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 boom, 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 boom. And that is it, guys. Look how flawless the face looks. The hair, not so much. My hair is a hot mess, but we're not here for a hair tutorial. We're here for a makeup tutorial. This is it, guys. This is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoy my tips and tricks, and I hope you guys followed, took some notes on how to get a flawless foundation if you guys have dry skin. If you guys are looking to get a flawless airbrush long wearing foundation, this is all for you guys. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so every time your girl uploads, you guys are notified, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.